Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A18 and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll in order to find the password and security. Then let's tap on System Security and localize the option Installation Sources. Let's tap. And right here we've got the apps which are allowed or not allowed, and just like in my case, to install some content, and of course we can change it. Just find the app and tap on the switcher. Your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because basically you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so you may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So really remember about that and choose the apps wisely. So let's tap on Allowed, and as you can see, from now on the Gmail is allowed to install some content. It works the same with all other apps, and of course you can always remove previously granted permissions. Just find the app and tap on the switcher again. Alright, so and that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.